Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video tutorial today, I'm going to walk you through on how to turn on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. So if your PC runs Windows 11 operating system, this video will be of help to you. With on-screen keyboard, you can type just like a normal physical keyboard, but this is on the screen. So let's get started. The first step is to access that through the quick access area. See where my mouse is, this place. Click on there. Then there are some icons here. Click on accessibility. Alright. Now you can see some functionalities over here, but go with more accessibility settings. Alright, this will open a settings page, and our interest is on screen keyboard. So scroll down. Alright, see keyboard section, click there. Then keep on going down. You see the option for on-screen keyboard. Toggle it on. Okay, so this has now brought on-screen keyboard on our computer screen. So we can feel like, okay, let me just use sample to use notes to explain that how it works. Let's say text notes. Okay, let's just say notes, so that I use an app here to see how it works. Okay, so I'm opening a notes app here. So if I click anything I click here, will appear on the screen to do things. You can see how it functions. Things. So it's a beautiful feature. So in case your PC develops faults, the physical keyboard, you can use the on-screen keyboard and do your thing. Or maybe you feel like, okay, let me just work with on-screen keyboard. This one works better. Okay, it still works good, just like the one you have already on your computer. All right, let me close it. Now, another way you can use the on-screen keyboard is directly through the search app. So see the search app pinned at the taskbar of your computer by default. Click on it. Then in the search bar, this place they say type here to search. Type on-screen keyboard. Okay, you can see that it has shown it, suggested it for me. So click on it. It has shown up again. So that's even the fastest way. So these are just the few ways you can access on-screen keyboard on your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and like this video. Thank you for watching.